this video, we have learnt exterior angle theorem. If you want to see the proof of this, then click on the link displayed top right corner of this video. For our convenience to solve the problem, we'll label the exterior angle and interior angles by numbers. Note here, always exterior angle is greater than interior remote angles. Let us solve some examples using exterior angle theorem, which states that the measure of the exterior angle of a triangle equals the sum of the measures of the remote interior angles. To find the value of this problem, we use the exterior angle theorem. Are you ready, students? You can also solve with me. So, here is the first example. In this example, we have got x as an exterior angle and we need to figure out what is x value is. We have got two interior opposite angles, which is 80 and 40, which means this is quite straightforward example. We can say that x equals 80 degrees plus 40 degrees, which means x is equal to 120 degree. Yes, we have done with the answer. But write geometric reason, which is really important to show that what reason we have got x value. Now let us see example 2. Here we have to figure out what is the value of y. In this case, y is actually one of the interior opposite angles, right students? Solve for y. Exterior angle 4 is 145 degree and angle 2 is y and angle 3 is 64 degree. Solve the equation by subtracting 64 both the sides. Gives us y value. Don't forget to write geometric reasoning here. Exterior angle is equal to sum of remote interior angles. And that's it. Let us solve this example little complicated with algebra. So, in the diagram shown, the exterior angle n plus 110 equals to the sum of the remote interior angles 80 plus 2n. Now solve an equation. We subtract n from both sides. We get 110 is equal to 80 plus n. And by subtracting 80 from both sides, we find n is equal to 30 degrees. I am sure you must have got the same answer in your notebook, right students? Let's move to next example. Here, sum of non-adjacent interior angles are 5x minus 10 plus 4x plus 25 and is equal to exterior angle 11x minus 15. Add the like terms. 5x plus 4x gives you 9x. Minus 10 and plus 25 gives you plus 15 is equal to 11x minus 15. Subtract 9x from both sides. We get 15 is equal to 2x minus 15. Now add 15 both sides. We get 30 is equal to 2x. Divide 2 both sides. We get 15 is equal to x. Therefore, x is equal to 15. To find the measure of all angles, let us substitute the x value. After substituting the value of x, non-adjacent interior angles are 65 and 85 respectively. Exterior angle measure we get is 150 degrees. If you add 85 and 65, it gives you 150 degree. That means here it proves that sum of the measures of non-adjacent interior angles is equal to measure of exterior angle. As I always say, maths requires practice, so practice these questions and find out whether you have understood actually the concept of triangle exterior angle theorem. Students, I am sure you have found this session easy, useful and understood the concepts that we discussed today. If you have any doubts or anything for this session, do let me know in the comment. I will be back with some more new concepts, new videos. You may like and share the same, as it may help someone. Stay tuned with UMaths.